Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to save images from MS Word document. For example, in this document there are two images. One is this and other is here. And if you want to save this image in separate file, how can we do that? Just select this picture and right click mouse and save as picture. Now you can save this image in separate file. Just desktop and web. In this folder, web folder, I am saving this picture. Type the name 1 and save. And if I want to save this file in separate, then I can repeat these steps. And if your document have a large number of images like 50, 100 images, then you have to consume a lot of time by pressing right click and save picture. It will take a lot of time. There is some secret option in Microsoft Word which you can do very easily. Just go to the file and save as option, and there is a folder web, and I am saving this document in HTML format. In HTML format, all the images go to the tutorial 11 folder and just press save. Continue, and I close this document, HTML document, and go to the web. There is a one picture which I have saved individual. This picture, and this is a folder tutorial 11 and HTML file. This is the file which I save HTML format, and you can see here two images, image 001, image 002. Here is image 002. If you have 50 images, then it will be 50 images. This is a very useful tip in Microsoft Word. You can use it if you want 50 images separately. Save separately. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.